Hello dear students, very good morning to all of you. Welcome you back to English language class. Today we will discuss test paper 5th. So let's begin with. In 5A, you know very well, you have to complete the passage, with appropriate form of a verb given in bracket. So before you do that, you should read from beginning to end. Then decide the tense and then the suitable form of verb. So here first example is given, you know very well, that is named as 0 number. So the first Olympic Games were held in Olympia in Greece in 776 BC and were dedicated to good Zeus. At first there was just one event, a sprint. Sprint means run. Dash by men. In bracket run. So which was a run? Here it will be run. Run by men. Run by men. Okay. A wreath of olive branches dash on the head of the winner. In bracket is place. So a wreath of olive branches was placed means put on the head of the winner. Women were not dashed to take part in the game. Bracket allowed. So women were not allowed to take part in the games. The games were held every 4 years and the time in between them dash an Olympiad. Bracket called. So the time in between them was called an Olympiad. Means Olympiad was brought in. So was called. More sports dash in bracket add to the games. So more sports were added to the games as time dash in bracket go by. As time went by. Time went by. Including chariot races, wrestling, discus in bracket throw and javelin. So discus throwing. The Greeks held the games for 1170 years. 1170 years until they were banned by the Byzantine Emperor Theodosius II in AD 394. They dash in 1896 in bracket revived. So they were revived. Means came to life. Revived means came to life in 1896. Now 5B. You have to complete the sentence with either adverb or preposition or sometimes some other word. So friends learn to bear dash one another's shortcomings. Shortcomings means fault, weakness. So here it is a phrasal verb. Remove this main verb also and fill up the blank with a simple suitable verb. So friends learn to dash one another's shortcomings. So what is a simple verb? Here you can place. Friends learn to tolerate one another's shortcomings. So what is the phrasal verb for tolerate? Bear away or bear with. Bear with here. So here to be with. Bear with means tolerate. I called dash the minister yesterday. If you remove call, so I met the minister yesterday. So what is the phrasal verb for met formally? That is called upon or on. So I called on or upon. Now number 2, that is called on here. Here this is called on. Called upon is also possible. Number 3, I was shocked dash the sudden news. This is a general preposition, fixed preposition you can say. After shock we use at. So I was shocked at the sudden news. Shocked at. For the child is hard dash hearing. So the child is hard of hearing. Okay, hard of is fixed position. The aeroplane flew dash the clouds. This is general preposition, normal preposition. So the aeroplane flew above the clouds. The publisher has brought dash a book on Indian customs. So the publisher has, what is the simple word? Verb. Published. So what is the phrasal verb for published? Brought out. So the publisher has brought out a book on Indian customs. Then our driver had just walked dash without giving notice. So our driver had just walked away or walked out. Okay, without giving any notice. He will certainly get dash the examination. So he will certainly pass the examination. What is the phrase for pass? Get through. So he will certainly get through the examination. Okay. Now let's come to question number 5C, that you have to join the pair of sentences given into one without the conjunction and, but or so. Be careful. What happened in the meeting? Nobody had an idea. So nobody had an idea what happened in the meeting. 2 is there, take a check. The cash may not be sufficient. So take, so see here, number 2, take a check. It's a reason. So as, take a check as the cash may not be sufficient. Okay. So if it is, you have to understand the concept. If it is reason, whether it is contrast, whether it is time, then you have to decide the conjunction. So here it may be as, because, since, you know very well. So take a check as the cash may not be sufficient. Or take a check because the cash may not be sufficient. Now number 3rd, this book is very simple, even a child can read it. This book is very simple, even a child can read it. So this book is so simple that even a child can read it. Simple that even a child can read it. Number 4, I had left my house. Your phone call came afterwards. So when, see here, the phone call came after I had left my home. Okay. So when I, also can be said alternatively. So when I I had already left my home when your phone call came. Or when your phone call came, I had already left my house. Now D, here it is, you have to rewrite the sentences without changing their meaning and following instructions given in the bracket. So Sunita was cycling very fast and could not stop at once. You have to use so ... that. So Sunita was cycling so fast that she could not stop at once. What is the meaning of at once? Immediately. Okay. Number 2, how stupid of me to forget his name. Begin it was. So it was very stupid of me to forget his name. It was very stupid of me to forget his name. 3rd one, I am too tired to walk any further. So and cannot walk any further. So I am so tired that I cannot walk any further. Number 4, can I have a new dress? Said Tara to her father. So Tara asked, begin Tara asked. So Tara asked her father if she could have a new dress. Now number 5, he was known to be a kind man and him to be a kind man. So you may say people knew him to be a kind man, or everyone knew him to be a kind man. Number 7, we won't buy the book if we don't like it. Begin unless. So unless we like the book, we'll not buy it. Unless we like the book, we will not. Means contraction form is won't. So we won't buy it or will not buy it. Number 8 is there. Not only did he treat him well, but also helped him. Begin besides. You know, besides means apart from, you know very well. So besides treating him well, he also helped him. So in this way we have discussed question number 5 of test paper 5, and we have discussed comprehension in the class, you know very well, and I'll send PDF of question, answer key. Okay, so hope you have enjoyed the class. Bye bye, see you, ciao.